Hello, 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 hello. It's Robin from Roaming with Rover, and we are back doing our Caterpillar CrossStitch Advent Calendar. That is quite a mouthful, by the way. I hope you guys are enjoying the thumbnail of these, showing the picture being developed every single day. I really like that. All right, so our tea. We're not happy with the last one, that turmeric ginger. Okay, this one's got a lot in it. We'll get that one. What do we got? Oh, it's pink. Hibiscus rose. Hibiscus rose. I'm not sure about that. A blend of hibiscus, rose, cardamom, and fennel. That's going to be interesting. Ooh. It smells like soap. It smells like handmade soap, like rose. We shall see. Oh, ooh, that is bad, bad, bad. I think that's worse than the turmeric and ginger was. We are definitely on a downward spiral with our tea. I'm ready for some English breakfast at this point. All right, let's see what we got there. See how that works up. Well, it doesn't smell as bad in the cup. So we'll see how that goes. Alrighty. The stitching. We're supposed to be working on the 10 Lords of Leaping. As you can see, I've done nothing. So still got to work on that. 10 Lords of Leaping. Haven't even looked at the design yet to see what it is I'm supposed to be doing. So that didn't happen. I don't know. That's scary. It's a little scary. Okay, so our box. Today we are number 18. Are we going to have an avalanche? No. Came out nice and easy. All right, nice and easy. 18, we've got some holly on the front of it. That's pretty. Let's see what it says. Holly and ivy are used in decorations because they symbolize everlasting life. Everlasting life. Pretty cool. All right. I remembered to open the box this time, so I don't have to fight with it. Oh, I forgot to shake it. There's something bouncing around in there. Ah, a tin. Oh, it's cute. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute. It says Caterpillar CrossStitch, and it's got the same kind of designs that are on our Advent. And it's just an empty tin to put your bits in. This is perfect for stitch markers. Needles might fit in there too. Let me see if my embroidery needle will fit in there. That I just happen to have right here with no thread on it. Yep, fits great. So this might be a good place for needles. Yeah, that fits perfect in there. We now have a needle in our little box. That's cute. That's adorable. I really like that. Really, really like that. And by the way, the other day when we got that pretty fabric and I wasn't sure what it was, it is even weave. I found a video about it, and it is even weave, and it is intended for that pretty flower design that we got a couple days ago. So that's the dealio with that. Whoops, can't put my needle in there. When I actually do get to working on that, I won't have my needle. I only have one needle for this because my cross-stitch needles have a very blunt point, very blunt end, and embroidery needles have a sharp end. So that's a difference. That's a difference there. Okay, put our little guy back. Fold it down, flip him around, and we've got a fox on the back there. Put him in our picture. Right there. You know what? Tomorrow is 19, so I'm going to pull it out so it's ready to go. There we go. So there's our picture. There's our picture ready to go for tomorrow. Wow, we 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It is almost Christmas, y'all. It is almost Christmas. Okay, let's try this tea. Let's try this tea. What do you think? Have you guys ever had the hibiscus rose tea? Man, it just smells like a bar soap. Oh, this is going to be terrible. Oh, I was right. It is terrible. Nice. 2 terrible ones in a row. Let's hope that's all that we got. I feel like I just washed my mouth out with soap. Ugh. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Okay. I'm sure there's somebody in the world that just loves that tea. It is not me. So that's it for today. Thank you so very much for following along. I hope you're enjoying the Caterpillar CrossStitch Advent. I really am. I really am. Please like, please subscribe, and please send this off to somebody you think might enjoy it. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.